Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. See what that thermometer says? 1 degree. Well, I woke up this morning and flushed the toilet, and I didn't get any water back in the toilet faucets, and I didn't get any water out of my faucets. You push it up and you get nothing, right? Well, I have a well, and I have a pump. Well, the pump, I came down into the cellar and I found my door open and it was freezing down here. Well, all my plumbing comes right in from here into the pressure tank and then runs throughout the house. Well, I have a combination set up that I have a forced air system and I have a geo system. Well, I wasn't using the geo, I've been using the forced air. So a lot of times the water's not flowing as much as it does when it's going through the geo. So I had to come down, double check, make sure I had power on the inner side here. I've got it off right now, and my gauge, as you might see right now, it's at 10 psi, but it was at 0. So you've got plastic pipe coming in, and you got steel, copper, all coming in through here. So there was pressure into the pressure tank, so it wasn't letting these contacts drop. This is a pressure contact system, so because of the pressure on it, it was keeping the contacts open, so the pump was off, which was good. But I'm to this point right now, I didn't even have water flow coming out from this point. So disconnected this end, and I didn't have any water coming out of here, but I had water coming back down. So it tells me this isn't frozen. I got this valve here, which is coming directly from here, going straight up from the pump before it hits the pump, and I wasn't getting any water out of there. So it was telling me this was probably frozen, and then beyond that, this might be frozen. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm heating everything up. Nothing like waking up with no water, almost on time. I took a shower last night, so I know I had water before I went to bed last night, and it was 10 o'clock, and I got up at 5:30 because I got to go to work. So right now I told him I'm gonna be a little late. My only concern was whether the pump had failed or not. Open this up, let this bleed. Might be right in the plastic pipe here. That might be. Gotta get it back off of that because you don't want to heat that up too much. So we're gonna heat this brass stuff up. It may still not be out of the wood yet. The other side of it here. Help this out some. I got more water rolling out of there than I did earlier. That's for darn sure. Gotta be careful because you got rubber workings here. Coming down a little low on my, I usually run the forced air when we're down in the teens and below, because the Geo just runs forever. You only get like 80 degrees coming out of the register. The forced air, you get about 90. And of course the Geo's running on pump, has to run on the water pump. It's an open loop, so the water's going straight back out into the water table. It's not closed loop where it's got glycol. Still getting trickle out of here. Warm that. Right, frozen up in that water pipe. Get a little bit of heat on that. Get a little bit of heat on this. On the pressure tank. Into the keep the water on that. Alright. So I'm gonna go turn the I didn't have any problems here. Still got water just rolling, slowly rolling in here. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off. Oh man. I'm gonna turn the water pump on. See what we got. Make sure you turn I had to turn the hot water tank off because you don't know how much water is in that. If it runs out, you'll have your coils burning. Not a good thing. Hearing a breakthrough. Whoa, oh man! Dumping my water here. I don't know how that door got left open. Alright. So I just heard a good thing. That's good. That's really good. Okay. I disconnected this one right here. Make sure that's tight again. Now let's turn the pump back on momentarily here. Oop. Awesome. Pump's kicking back up. So I don't have a pump problem. Oh yeah. Awesome. Alright. That's really good. I like it. Oh yeah. We have full. Looks like we got full pressure there. Kicking on and off. Alright, let's go upstairs and get. Turn the turbo on. Get it rolling through the house, or at least right to there. Awesome. As you can see, I got a oil heater running, and I've got a backup kerosene. Get this area warm back up. gauge isn't where it really needs to be. Alright. Check, make sure my contacts are connected. Why is this one still open? Oh, you just kicked out, right? Yeah. Alright, contacts are all kicking in. I got water. Goody, goody, goody. Alright. Man, that all had me. That had me worried. Because this is, I'm getting a little low on the, my forced air on the oil. So I got to kick in the, I'll be kicking in the Geo when it kicks up above 30 degrees. So, and then again, that runs off of water. So not a good thing not having the house with water. Okay, so there we are. House has got water again. Not sure where my, it's sitting way the heck up there. Alright, so no leaks here, everything's warm here. I got the house warming back up. So alright, so that's where I'm at. Thank God I was able to get that done. Now I gotta get ready to go to work, and I'm gonna turn the hot water back on. Alright. We're set. Alright, thanks for watching.